guys, today we're gonna do strength training. We're gonna do about 20 seconds on each move, 2 times through, and we're gonna work our way through 5 sets of moves. Starting out, we're gonna just start with air squats before we pick up any jugs or water bottles to get warmed up. And we're gonna go here for about 20 seconds. Remember, when you squat, drop your butt, keep your knees from coming over your toes. Now let's come back to a step back lunge for about 20 seconds here. Couple more seconds. All right, now bring it to a good morning with a good stretch. And one more time through, squat. Good deep squat. And coming up, going back to a step back lunge. Just getting our muscles warmed up before we pick any weight up. And lunge as deep as you can. Now, last move with no weight. Good morning. Stretch out that lower back. And we're either gonna pick up a set of jugs or water bottles. Whatever your resistance is, come down, pick them up, and we're just gonna curl. So you could have water bottles in your hands, you could have half-filled water jugs in your hands. We just need something that serves as dumbbells. You have multiple jugs laid out. We're going into a squat. So you could pick up heavier jugs for the squat if you wanted to. I'm just using the same weight for everything today. Next, we have push-ups. You can do a modified push-up or a regular push-up. Modified, knees down, hands under the shoulders, and you just push. Regular push-up, back flat, and still same muscles being worked. All right, and we're gonna bring it up. Back to those curls, no rest. So you're probably feeling the cardio effect without any rest between sets. Curl to squats. And then back to push-ups in about 5 seconds. And come down to push-ups and go. About 10 seconds here, and then we're coming to a new set of moves. All right, so come up, grab water bottles or jugs, and just bring it straight up. Keep your elbows locked, or only allow a slight bend, and bring them to the front of your shoulders. Second move, we're gonna deadlift. You're poking your butt back, not bending your knees. You should feel it in your hamstrings and possibly your lower back. Next move at the bottom, stop, and we're gonna pull. So whether you're holding jugs or water bottles, you just come straight into a low row, pulling those weights up. In about 3 seconds, we're gonna go back to front raise. And here we go, front raise. A few more seconds here, and we'll move right back into deadlifts. Total body muscle building today with inexpensive items around the house. About 5 more seconds here, and we'll come back to low rows before getting into our third set. All right, low rows, pulling them up. Now for this next move, you can do it holding both jugs or water bottles in front of you, like this. We're gonna squat. Or you can hold one jug in front of you and squat. We call this a front squat. It also works our abs, butt, and quads. Now, we're gonna come back, holding the weight the same way, and lunge. We just went from working primarily our quads now to our hamstrings. And our third move, pick up the other jug and just pull them high. Call these high pulls, working our shoulders, giving our legs a little bit of a break before we go back to it. And front squats. Front view. This time, we'll take it to our lunges in just a second. Keep working. Try not to rest. And if you need to, one weight. Step back. In a few seconds, we're going to take it down to the mat. Work our abs, chest, and legs. Last move here though, bring it up and high pull. About 5 more seconds, then we're coming down to the mat and bring it to the mat. Take one of your jugs. We're gonna go side to side for that first move. Hip to hip. All right. Now, either take 2 water bottles or the 2 jugs. We're gonna get in chest work and leg work. Bring it up and press. Press. You have the jugs in your hand or the water bottles, whichever one works for you. But we're pressing here, keeping your butt high. Get about 3 more, and then we're gonna go into leg lifts. Leg lifts. So I want you to come down, legs flat, straight out, and just bring them up. Don't let them hit the floor, bring them straight up and down. Here I got about 5 more of these. And we're gonna go back through those moves to finish out 10 minutes of strength training. Give me 1 more, and good job. Back to Those twists. Bring the weight from the right hip to the left hip. Don't overextend. You may hurt your back doing that. Left, right. Almost finished, guys. About 3 more. 1, 2, 3. All right, we're gonna bring it back down. I'm gonna use jugs this time. Bring your hips up and press. Bring them down, press. Finish out strong. Get about 5 more of these. And 1 more. All right, bring it down. Our last set of leg lifts and we will be done. 1, come on. 2, 3, let's get 10. 4, 6 more. 5 more, come on. 4, 3, 2, and 1. 10 minutes, strength training, no expensive equipment needed. Can be done anytime, anywhere. Great job.